Working on 2005 Toyota Camry. Customer purchased on Android radio. This radio comes with all the harnesses. We're even going to do a backup cam. The first step we're going to do is we're going to remove this heater control panel out. Start it from the bottom and carefully pry that out. So once you have that out, on the part of it, you will see 10 mils. Two here, two all the way in the back. So a total of 4 10 mils we're going to remove. So we're going to remove the 10 mils. So after 4 10 mils removed, just going to pull the entire radio out and disconnect all the harnesses from behind. This is the factory clock. We have to transfer that over to new radio bezel. We're going to remove the factory clock. Transfer the clock screws back on. I'm going to take these out, put it on here. So we're going to do all 4 of them. Got the air vent. Take it out. It clips here, 2 on each side. You bend it away, it comes out, and you stick it in here like this. Okay, there's a little dilemma here. The new radio came with air vent adjustment here, but the original one doesn't have that. So this is manual adjustment. Not there. Alright, so original radio is an amplified. The new radio that he got comes with a different plug. Now on this older model, I know it has a hidden plug, so I'll show you. So this is the back of the radio, which is totally different than these. But if you look underneath, the older models, they give you a regular plug, which you just unplug it. See this plug right here? There's another one next to it. Not that one. The blue plug. I'm gonna bring it down. So if you look on the bottom side of that main plug, you'll find these old-fashioned plugs. So back in the days, they decided to put regular plug below the amplified plug. So you just simply unplug it, plug it in like this, and like that. Now that gives you a non-amplified plug. Alright, so it came on. Let's see if the radio works. It works. Also doing a reverse cam. Make a little hole there, run the wire through it here, and we're gonna run it down, loom it. We're also gonna have to grab reverse wire here. Reverse cam is working. So this radio doesn't have a CarPlay on it. So let's see if it can do hotspot. I connected hotspot.